Right now for News Talk, we have Jan Kublick of the McMahon-Kublick firm talking about distracted driving. Now, you've been doing this, though, since 1978, long before this was a consideration. Tell us what distracted driving looks like from your vantage point and the damage it does.
Well, as a plaintiff's attorney and a firm that represents people injured in accidents, we see how disrupted, how damaged people are by these accidents, and what an impact it has on their family, their children, their careers, their plans for the future, all of that. Distracted driving, I like to call it digitally distracted driving, is a major problem. We all see it in cars around us. You drive with your eyes and your brain and your hands, and reaching for a device takes the hand off the wheel, the brain off the road, and the eyes off the road. At 60 miles an hour, you're going 88 feet a second. 3.5 seconds, you're at a football field. That's how quickly things can happen. And the attention necessary to check your Twitter feed or your email or your text is typically longer than 3.5 seconds. So,
And this is something we should be concerned about all the time, but you mentioned that in the summer it's of particular concern.
I grew up in upstate New York, lived here all my life. I know that in the summer you have younger drivers, some with first licenses, college kids back, pedestrians, schools out. You have RVs and boat trailers and motorcycles and cyclists. And you have the construction that can't go on in the winter here. So you have construction and repair and servicing going on all around central New York. And as a result, it compounds the difficulties. We're getting more frequent and severe rain and wind with hail, flooding. All of that contributes to dangerous driving conditions.
And you see the tangible issue, the injuries.
We do. I mean, one of the reasons that I appreciate the opportunity to be here is that we help people after they've been injured, but what we can do is get them money. And no matter how much money we get them, I've never met a client that we've helped who wouldn't give that money back if they could not have that accident. The damages are permanent. We deal with severe injuries, especially motor vehicle injuries, and it's a profound and life-changing event for their family and spouse and career plans and retirement plans. And money's all we can get them, but they wish they had their life back.
It is a sorry substitute for what they lost in exchange. Jan Kublick, thank you so much for joining us with those poignant reminders today.
Jolene, thank you.